And he was also perhaps nakita niyo na po at na-enjoy niyo na po yung mga food of the day display na presented. At the end of the day, we had the launch and also the presentation of the 101 ways to serve food.
Mansaing ba to?
Dito yung pasalubong na binibigay ko natin sa shop ay nandito po sa SSC Gonzales ang listahan na ginanap. From the shop of the body go here.
Wow!
Bigyan mo na the celebration.
Puto pala yan! Shop!
Let us welcome the moment of your presence to the Alex Store.
Sarap! Wow!
Give a big hand to Mr. Jersey and welcome.
Puto. Puto pala yun. Stupid me. Bongga. Love it. Festival. Ito pa, ito pa.
Mayor Roy Macanalay. To the Councilor, Mark Roy Macanalay. Ito ang pag-galing over organizing.
Santa Cruzan.
And kung siya, happy biyang ako sa inyo lahat.
Bongga.
This is Super Bowl. This is something first ever na food festival sa lahat ng ICF. And this is to feature yung culture ng Pangasinan.
Kalasyaw, Phoenix Municipality, weekend night from Yashi.
Mga putong safe
Wala naman kayo sa Ashi pa.
And we would like to feature that during the weekend.
Ang sarap, mga kaloko.
This is the first of so many festivals na gagawin natin sa SMC Gonzales. So, sana po lahat kayo mag-enjoy. Thank you and happy Fiesta guys. Thank you, Mr. Mendoza. And I have privilege and also to share more about the South Philippine Festival.
Kilala ko to eh. Pare, nasa si Piglet. Love this. Ay, sorry, Victor. Oh, sige. Made of puto. Puto po yan.
Ang aming